You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish. In Spanish, this is famous for being the name of an island, but it also simply means in Spanish Trinity. So this is the Spanish word for Trinity, okay? You know, the religious Trinity, Christian. So the Spanish pronunciation, Trinidad. Trinidad. Now in Spanish from Spain, central Spain in particular, the D at the end would be pronounced a bit like TH with your tongue between your teeth, but you can hardly hear it. Trinidad. Now some may pronounce it with a D sound at the end, Trinidad, but again you don't really hear it. So in any case, it's pretty much like the D at the end is silent. Trinidad. Trinidad. Now in English, therefore, Trinidad. Trinidad. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.